That's a small step for man, but a giant leap for mankind. We need to find life. And I believe we have found the right place.
Really?
Yes, tight answer. It's about 1 billion kilometers away, but we have teamed up with Russia. Here is Mr. Sergey to show us with our diagram.
Thank you. How are you doing? Mr. President, I believe that we need to find life, and in order to find life we need to go to Titan. It is unknown a lot because thanks to your information we know it is a very thick atmosphere and it's impossible to penetrate it with satellites. So here's the diameter of the Earth, and I think we will need to create a space station in the I'm sorry. Does he have something wrong?
Yeah, sorry. I'm so sorry. He has asthma. Sorry.
Okay, I will keep preparing it. So the launch space, a hydrogen fuel jet going at say 40,000 kilometers an hour, launching from the space station. And because it is 1.3 billion kilometers away, we need a 40,000 an hour jet. We need hydrogen in order to be fueled up with an emergency latch of sun-powered batteries. At 40,000 kilometers an hour, it will take us about 3 years. Copy that, 3.1 years. About 3 to 4 months to discover. Well, we will need to team up. We will need American astronauts and Russian astronauts. We will need both of our technology. We will need both of our money because it is a very expensive trip, but it will also be a high reward for future references. I think that we need the space station at the Atlantic Ocean, where there's a lower level of tsunamis because it will cause a really big wave that we can stop. And that's basically it. We will need about 2-3 years of training, but we will be ready for launch, say 2015, at a preliminary route that will avoid as many asteroids. We will plan that in our second meeting, say next Friday.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you very much, sir. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have reached our location and the building is underway. It's in Sierra Leone, about 2 kilometers off the shore. It will not cost major disproportion. I have teamed up with great scientists in using fossil fuels to burn the hydrogen, and I already creating a very high potent jet that we say NASA and Russian Space Federation. So they both know it's called the World Experience, and the jet will be called the World Experience because we will go on a different world as a world. And we just have to see where our training is going. We have 4 of the highly top Russians, and I think you will need to assign the best for...
Yeah, I already have it.
This is our first simulation room, and as you can see, it's highly technology. This is a transparent wall, you can't pass through it. And we will now test the G-force, controlling it from my special technology. And we will start in 3, 2, 1, begin! Okay, stop.
20 minutes ago, I fell in love with the look in your eyes.
Now here comes the gravity tester, and here's one of the best Russian. And this can only, it's very highly dangerous, so to practice I know you want to, but it can be activated without your, okay? Activating gravity in 3, 2, 1, begin! Very cool, very cool.
Move it. I like to move it.
Attention!
I like to move it. You like to move it.
Okay, fitness center, we begin. Jumps.
I like to move it. I like to move it.
Jumps.
You like to move it. I like to
high knees.
I like to move it.
Weights.
I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it.
Faster. End with a jump. Jump. Very good.
to the host.
Ladies and gentlemen, astronauts, we have prepared for 3 years and are ready for launching. You two are the generals, the ones ahead. Prepare, because Titan is an expedition that will take 7 years and $3 billion. Prepare yourself, the world is waiting for you. Prepare for launch off in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
She was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the bus.